Hello students, welcome once again to the C++ tutorial wherein I would be continuing with the friend functions. Okay, in the previous session we saw how friend functions can be flexibly used. Okay, as we had taken the class employee and manager, to which I had made a compute tax as friend for both. Okay, compute tax is friend for employee class, compute tax is friend for manager class. Okay, by that compute tax was able to access the private member of employee as well as private member of manager, and was able to compute the tax. Okay, that there we saw the significance of the friend function. Okay, now let us move further with the friend functions declarations, the functions discussion. Okay, now in this example we have seen that uh, friend is a non-member function. Okay, then we have the privilege to make the friend function member of some of a class. Okay, so what do you mean by that? The meaning of that is this compute tax no doubt is friend for employee, compute tax is friend for manager. It can become a member function for maybe another class, or maybe out of these two one of the class. Okay, now let me take an example wherein I have a classic accountant. Okay, in this, the public section, I'll make void compute tax as the member function. Okay, now this is strange for you people. Okay, so no doubt, don't be under confusion. The friend of one class can be a member function of another class. That privilege is provided in C++. Okay, so in this case compute tax is friend for two classes, and it's a member function of another class called accountant. Now with respect to this scenario, how everything changes. Okay, the computation remains same. Okay, the syntax point of view, how everything changes, you just check out. Okay, so compute tax, which takes employee object, manager object. Okay, this is just the declaration. Okay, its definition is available over here. Okay, but now this compute tax is no more independent function. Okay, so it is a member function of accountant. Fine. Now with respect to compute tax being the member function of accountant, you just check out how it checks, how the definition changes. Now the return type is void, then the compute tax belongs to accountant class, and you need to provide a scope resolution operator. Okay, got an idea? Compute tax is now member of accountant. It's a member function of accountant. For that reason the definition changes like this. Okay, now on the same lines I need to create an object of type accountant. Okay, a, then compute tax is a member function of accountant, so I need to precede this by object dot, so that compute tax becomes, or is called by the object of a class to which the compute tax belongs. Okay, so this is the changes. Then further you need to make some more changes. Now let me just define this class accountant before, because for class accountant, yeah, this is fine, no problem. Yeah, over here I need to make some changes. Okay, now friend void, then compute tax belongs to accountant class, scope resolution operator. Okay, this is needed. Now compute tax is not an independent function. No doubt it's friend for employee, but it belongs to accountant class. So this syntax you need to follow. Okay, on the same lines over here also, accountant scope resolution operator. Fine. So slight changes in the I hope you people can understand this. Okay, as now I have made compute tax as member of accountant, so this additional things needs to be provided. Okay, that's it. Now let us compile this program. G plus plus dot cpp. Yeah, accountant has not been declared. Okay, yeah, one problem over here is, now over here when we just make the declaration in as friend, okay, accountant is not declared, the compiler considers. Okay, when a compiler encounters or sees this word or identifier, it says that it is not declared. Okay, what it's saying, accountant has not been declared at the 18th line, fine, and also at the 32nd line. Okay, so for that I'll do what is, make this accountant global. Okay, its declaration, just cut this and paste it over here. Okay, now but there would be one more problem, fine, maybe due to forward reference. Okay, maybe due to forward reference, uh, manager's task is resolved, but what about employee? Employee is unknown to accountant for the compiler, from the compiler's perspective. So again I need to provide the forward reference for employee. Okay, or else you can do what is, provide the forward reference for all the three classes and make all the three classes be placed as anywhere they want. Okay, so in this case I would be providing forward references for manager, employee, as they are used over here and over here and all. Okay, so now you just see there won't be any problem. Yeah, okay, no problem at all. Now execute. Okay, so you will be getting the same result as in the last session you had got. Okay, for the employee with the salary as 20,000, 2,000 would be the tax, and for the manager with 45,000, 6,750 would be the tax with respect to 10 and 15%. Okay, I hope you have understood the concept of the friend function being member function of some class. Okay, thank you.